Hi there, Alex Kidman with a super quick unboxing of the brand new Galaxy Note 10. Now, Samsung Australia's just sent this through to me. Haven't opened it yet. Figured, hey, do it on the internet. Why not? People seem to like these things. The Note 10 is not technically out just yet, so this is an early sample. I'm told there may be a few software differences, but the box itself, the contents, I presume will be fairly closely identical to what you'll get at least in Australia for the Note 10, or in this case, the Note 10 Plus. There are, of course, three of them. The Note 10 Plus, which is what this is, the Note 10 Plus 5G, and the Note 10. Slightly different sizings for the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, but the Note 10 Plus 5G is this with a 5G modem in it and a little bit more storage. So let's open it up. First things first, of course, the security seal. I hate these things. Nobody at Samsung's when we're using scissors there, right? All good. They never need to know. Okay, so hopefully this is all staying in focus. And there it is. And, well, it's a phone, what can I say? Actually, what I can say is that it looks an awful lot like the rest of the Samsung family. And to give that a little bit of context, here's the S10 5G right next to it. There's not a lot in it, really. Popping it out, still in its plastic seal, and it's got that super shiny, reflective casing on it. Some folks will like that. I tend to always argue that you should have a case, but, you know, your style may differ. USB, but of course, no headphone jack. Always a bit of a pity, that. Otherwise, what we're looking at here, and indeed, okay, so I can discover that this is an early release model because there's no way that's an Australian plug. That's American, Japanese, something like that. The Australian ones, I'm sure, will have a full Australian plug, or there may be a plug adapter sitting in here, I suppose. In fact, it looks extremely likely that there is. Now, how do I open this without destroying it? Aha! No, these are the USB adapters. So USB C to C. What are we doing here? Oh, we got a headphone clip and adapters. Okay, and some AKG headphones. That being the standard that Samsung has done for some time, and of course those end in a USB-C plug. But you know, that actually makes sense for this particular headset. If you want to use regular headphones, you will have to use an adapter. That's what one of those are. So there you have it. That's what you get in the box. I better get on with testing this unit. Thanks for watching.